Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to open our contact list, of course, in order to find the contact you would like to edit, and if you will find it, simply tap on it. So let me pick Tina. And right now, let's tap on Edit Contact in the right lower corner. Now let's tap on this camera icon, and as you can see here, we've got two different options. So we can either take a photo. So after picking this option, your device will open the camera app, and this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and you are able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. All we have to do right now is to simply find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of this square, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because obviously this area is responsible for it. What's more, we can rotate the picture. It's up to you how you want to set it. Just customize it, and if you're happy with the results with your choice, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, it has been applied here on this circle, so remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this beautiful neutrophil has been applied to this contact, and after getting back you can also see it on the contact list and whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.